In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be safe when buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're hunting for a great deal or trying to declutter and make some extra cash, ensuring your safety throughout the process is paramount. So let's dive in with some essential tips and strategies to help you confidently navigate transactions on the platform. First, let's talk about verifying profiles before you engage in any transaction. Whenever you're browsing items or communicating with buyers and sellers, take a moment to check their profiles. Look for key indicators like the profile picture, friends list, marketplace history, and how long the account has been active. These elements can provide insights into the authenticity of the person. Exercise caution with new accounts or those exhibiting very little activity, as these might not always be reliable. Next, keep all communication on Facebook Messenger. It's crucial to conduct your conversations on Messenger and refrain from moving immediately to email, text, or WhatsApp. Scammers often attempt to switch the conversation to another platform to sidestep Facebook's security checks. By keeping all discussions on Messenger, you reduce the risk of fraudulent activity and ensure you have a record of the transaction. When it comes to meeting up, always choose safe, public locations. Opt for well-lit, busy areas such as cafes, malls, or even police station parking lots. Avoid meeting at personal residences to safeguard your privacy and security. If you're dealing with a large item, bring along a trusted friend or family member for an added layer of safety. It's equally important to inspect the item carefully, especially if you're buying. Make sure the product matches the description, functions correctly, and lacks hidden damage. For those selling, allow potential buyers to test the item, but be sure it doesn't leave your possession until you've secured payment. Speaking of payment, using safe methods cannot be stressed enough. For in-person transactions, cash is king. If you opt for online payments, rely on reputable services like PayPal Goods and Services, not the friends and family option, Gcash, or similarly trusted platforms. Be wary of overpayments or wire transfers, as these are common scam tactics. Always protect your personal information. Refrain from sharing home addresses, phone numbers, or banking details. Use Messenger to communicate instead of divulging personal numbers right away. This step helps prevent identity theft and other fraudulent schemes. Last but definitely not least, trust your instincts throughout the process. If something feels off, whether it's an unusually low price, pressure to expedite the deal, or a strange payment request, don't hesitate to walk away. It's far better to miss out on a deal than to fall victim to a scam. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy a secure and successful experience on Facebook Marketplace. Remember, staying cautious and informed is key to keeping your buying and selling endeavors safe and hassle-free. Thank you for tuning in, and stay safe out there.